If you are suffering from indigestion, bloating, belching, burping, loose stools, or sometimes constipation, you are suffering from condition called IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. In Ayurveda, we call IBS only happens when you have too much undigested toxins. Those toxins can only be produced because of your lifestyle. Mainly, if you have a habit of eating so many meals without waiting to digest your previous meals, if you have a habit of eating something cold with your meal, which irritates your digestive fire and doesn't let acid to do its job and food doesn't digest and cause ama. Ama means toxins. If you have a habit of eating too many sugary foods and rich and fiery foods, which is hot and spicy and also fried. And if you are going through any extreme stress, which can damage the vagus nerve in your gut, that can cause also IBS kind of symptoms.